Hello everyone, here is our first problem under binary operations. In our previous lesson, we have talked about the introduction and properties of binary operations. So, this question stated that if a asterisk b is equal to 2a minus 5ab plus b squared, then what is the value of 3 asterisk 7 whole asterisk 8? Remember, binary operation always connects two values. This is why we have this and this first, then subsequently we introduce 8. All right, look at a as 3 and b as 7, then substitute everything. We have this to be 3, which is 2 times 3, 2 multiplied by 3, then minus 5ab, meaning 5 times 3 times 7, then plus b squared, which is 7 squared. Everything, remember, we still have asterisk 8 outside. But let us simplify this first. 2 times 3 is 6, minus 5 times 3 is 15, times this is 105. 7 squared is 49, right? We still have asterisk 8 outside. 6 plus 49 will give us 55, right? Then 55 minus 105 will give us 55 negative, isn't it? Yeah, 50, sorry, negative 50. But we still have asterisk 8. Let's connect them together, asterisk 8. Now, I want you to look at this as A, while this should be our B. The formula stated that 2a, which means 2 multiplied by negative 50, minus 5 times a, which is negative 50, times b, which is 8, then plus b squared, which is 8 squared. We are moving. This is equal to negative 100, 2 times negative 50. Negative is positive. 5 times 8 is 40, times this is 2000. 2000 plus 8 squared, which is 64. Minus 100 plus 2000 will give us 1900. Plus 64 is 1964. Yeah. Therefore, the whole of this is equivalent to 1964. Subsequently, you're going to see more and more questions under binary operation. Thank you for watching. Do share to your and colleagues. Bye-bye.